Welcome to DelftStack. Today, I will show you how to fix the failed to wear character error in Roblox using simple steps. First, remove any 3D layered clothing from your avatar, as these items often cause the error when Roblox tries to load your outfit. Next, try using the Roblox mobile app to update your avatar, since it works more reliably than the website in many cases. Then, go to the avatar editor and click the Redraw option under your avatar image to refresh and fix visual glitches. Also, log out of your account, fully close the app or browser, and log back in to reset the connection. If the issue still appears, clear your cache or reinstall the app to remove any corrupted data. Make sure your internet connection is stable, because weak connections can also prevent your avatar from loading properly. After following these steps, go back to Roblox and try wearing your character again to confirm the fix works. Thanks for watching.